Hi, welcome to Cortex Engineering Learning Block. In this video, we're going to look at how we can import Autodesk Inventor model into CADWorx. So here I have a sample pump which is done in Inventor, and I like to import this into CADWorx. First, I like to measure the diameter of each of the nozzles. So here I have, for the section, is 180 centimeter. 18 centimeter, which is 180 millimeter, and this one is 150 millimeter. So the next step I want to do is I want to export this model as DWG so I can open up in CADWorx. So I'm going to do export to DWG and I hit save. Now I go to CADWorx and open up that same model. So as you can see that I have imported the same model into CADWorx. And I'm going to change the visual styles to realistic just to see the shade and everything. Now I need to select the spec that I like to use for this particular model. I'm going to use metric spec, and I'm going to use 3 enhance mode, and I'm going to select the sizes. The main size is going to be 200 millimeter, and the reducer is going to be 150. And I can set my pipe rules all set to automatic, including flanges. And once it's done, I can use generic nozzle attachment. Now the model, somehow when I export it from Inventor to CADWorx or AutoCAD, somehow it reduces the scale by 10. So I just need to scale it up everything by 10. So now all the dimensions are in millimeter. So now the same thing. If I try to draw a pipe like normally, then I probably need to insert the cascades and flanges, everything manually. But what I can do is, instead of doing that, I can use a generic nozzle attachment and use that option to make that one as smart connection. So here I'm selecting the insertion location, and then I just need to keep the ortho on and need to assign the flow direction. And I need to give it a name. So this is going to be nozzle 1 or suction, and then this is pump 001, and select the size and flange rating and everything. And I just need to select the grip point, and that allows me to route the pipe. I just need to select the appropriate flange. As you can see that it has made a nice connection with the pump. I can do the same thing with the discharge nozzle. So that looks perfect. Okay, so that's gonna be 150. So I can do the same thing, generic nozzle attachment, do that, flow direction going down. And in this case, I'm going to select the nozzle size to 150 millimeter. Same thing, I can use the smart grip point and start routing the pipe. But instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use auto route option and select that point. And as you can see that it has recognized the connection point. So I want to keep the size, or I want to change the nozzle size. So I want to select the nozzle size, which is 150. Then I can select the other end point. So that's it. That's how we can create CADWorx drawings from Inventor model. If I output this to isometric, it will have all the connection names and everything. Thanks for watching this video.